How to add or opt out nominee to your FinX Demat account. Log into your FinX account through the app or website. Go into your profile, click on More option and select Profile Modification. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number to log in. Scroll down and click on Add Modify Nominees option. You can add or opt out nominee from your Demat account. If you don't want to add a nominee to your account, click on Opt out Nominee, confirm Yes, and e-sign page will appear. E-sign will be required on both cases of adding or opting out nominee. Provide your consent by clicking Yes. Click Proceed to e-sign and sign now. Fill your Aadhaar number and enter the OTP received on your registered number. And your opt-out nominee request has been successfully submitted. Let's see the steps of adding a nominee to your Demat account. Select Add Nominee. Keep your nominee's detail and PAN card handy with you for the further process. Fill in the nominee's detail and avoid reloading the page in the interim. E-sign to give your consent for adding a nominee to your Demat account. Enter your Aadhaar card number and verify the OTP received on your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Your nominee has been successfully added.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.